Hello, everyone. This equipment is a 3+3 dual-drive fully automatic copper tube straightening and cutting machine custom-tailored for our overseas customer. Adopting a 3+3 dual-group linkage and dual-drive structural design, the machine is compatible with 6 different specifications of copper tubes at the same time. It can synchronously complete straightening and fixed-length cutting of multi-specification copper tubes, and the cutting length can be set freely according to production requirements, to meet diverse working conditions. As per the customer's customized requirements, the whole machine is equipped with a high-performance hydraulic control system, and all hydraulic oil cylinders of the equipment adopt original Misumi brand accessories. It features stable operation, high processing precision and excellent durability. At present, the equipment is undergoing precise commissioning before delivery. After the verification of all performance parameters, it will be fully packaged and shipped to the customer's factory in New Zealand for official production.